Hey, you guys, I'm back with another video. This video, you guys are gonna watch me clean, but yeah, she had an attitude. But anyway, I'm about to do like a little quick minute dance for y'all. My body came out, but yeah, y'all, they was playing my song. But yeah, y'all, so I'm just gonna be cleaning my house, y'all, my new home. If you have not watched my house tour, then go watch my house tour. If you haven't watched my moving vlog, then go watch my moving vlog. Okay. So yeah, I'm not gonna be rambling throughout this video, but I had just wanted to check in and say, hey girl, hey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, this video, I be cleaning all over the place. Like, I don't know, like, I just be cleaning all over the place. So I try my best when I'm doing a video to like stay to stay organized when I'm cleaning, like do one room at a time. But yeah, I would be literally everywhere, like flip-flopping throughout the home, doing different rooms at the same time. But anyway, y'all, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Like I said, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show your girls some support. If you want to support me and my channel, then like, comment, and subscribe. And I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Mwah.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get hella free, keep it beat. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the moment, so I feel like baby king. For the flash, the boss set is so I dress like baby B. Don't cool, and so that you know it's giving cream. I got bones when there's not enough, come feel the nicotine. I need chips, I tell that nigga, eat like a baby, carry that on my head, I just need a sip. This shawty got me stressed, got me pleasant all day. Boy, I get that jealous. On my house, give a fuck about my cause on my bitch, you can't be touched. That I make that nigga eat, huh? Ain't no that I'm rich, but that's my budget. Royalty me something to my cheap on switch. Push a T, push a pound of weed, need a brand new weed, kill my dog. Nigga, please, I go Keanu Reeves. You don't know what you telling me, just let a nigga see. Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it G, welcome at the age, just let that nigga be. TLC, know I'm finna creep my phone on D&D. That's my song, run that to beat, I run that to sleep. You ain't beat, you know you beat to me, he beat is me. I need chicks, I tell that nigga, he like a baby, carry that on my head, I just need a sip. Cause shawty got me stressed, got me pleasant all day. Boy, I get that bitch a lizard. On my house, give a fuck about my cause on my bitch, you can't be touched. That I make that nigga eat, huh? I know that I'm rich, but that's my project. Royalty me something to my cheap on switch. Royalty me something to my cheap on switch.
Oh, that's nuts, Billy. Oh, that's nuts, Billy.
What's left of us? What's left of our lives? It's only you, it's only me, it's only us at the end of the night. I remember when you couldn't tell me a thing. Now you talk so much it drives me insane. You could do something great. So what can I say to you? When I'm up there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. And not true. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, how pressure just keep adding up. Girl, you just get mad so we was living fast. Girls don't get me tired. All these people always lying on something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes by some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe not said so. Reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound like how this shit goes? Sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my evil. You won't even do the hell. This shit don't add up. You don't even know the man. Yeah.
That ain't even bad.
You said so you relax.
I didn't.
Sometimes I wanna beat your ass,
Wait.
but you know I won't do that.
So I say that,
Hey, but the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, yeah, you think a nigga blowing time. Here's your blood. What we see ain't what it seems for. Feels girl, what is love? What's the point of love? Girl, what we see ain't what it seems for. Feels girl, what is love?
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get hella free, keep it beat. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the moment, so I feel like baby king. For the flash, the boss sweating, so I dress like baby D. Don't cool, that's so that you know it's giving cream. I got hoes when there's not enough, come feeling nicotine.
I need chips, I tell that nigga, eat like a baby, carry that on my head, This nigga sip, this shorty got me pissed, got me pleasant all day. Boy, I get up, the lizard, on my house, give a fuck about my sis, but my sis, you can't be touched. That I make that nigga eat, ain't no that I'm rich, but that's my project. Plug it to me, something to my cheap on switch.
Push a T, push a pound of weed. Need a brand new weed. Kill my dog. Nigga, please, I go Keanu Reeves. He don't go. Why you telling me? Just let a nigga see. Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it G. Welcome at the age, just let that nigga be. TLC. No, I'm finna creep my phone on D&D. That's my song. Run that to beat, I run that to sleep. You ain't beat. You know you beat to me. He beat is me.
I need chips, I tell that nigga, eat like a baby, carry that on my head, This nigga sip, this shorty got me pissed, got me pleasant all day. Boy, I get that bitch a lizard, on my house, give a fuck about my sis, but my sis, you can't be touched. That I make that nigga eat, ain't no that I'm rich, but that's my project. Plug it to me, something to my sheep on switch. Plug it to me, something to my sheep on switch.
That's nuts, Billy. That's nuts.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This is the last scene, y'all. I don't know what happened to my footage of me cleaning like my laundry area, but I will do a video on that, because this video was going to be like a whole thing of me cleaning up, doing laundry, folding laundry, cleaning my room, all that good stuff. But I don't know what happened to my footage, so we're gonna just leave it here at me cleaning this bathroom, the first bathroom, the guest bathroom. So I'm sorry, y'all, but if you got this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. And again, if you want to support me and my child and our channel, go ahead and subscribe, y'all. Most of you guys are not subscribed. Subscribe, like, and comment. It really helps my channel. And I hope you guys return. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. That will be in my description bar down below. And yeah, bye. See y'all next video.